Hello Year 10. Today we're going to do completing the square. We have looked at this before, but students always forget how to do it and don't like it very much, so I thought we would do a recap. If we have a quadratic like this, x squared plus bx plus c, completing the square means writing it in the form x plus p squared plus q, where we have to find what p and q are. Now p is easier to find because the way that we will start this is we will always start by writing x plus b over 2 squared, and this takes care of this first bit. Then we have to expand this out and see what we end up getting from here. So if I expand this out, I would get x squared plus b over 2x plus b over 2x, so twice, so that would give me the bx back. But then I would get b squared over 4. So this bit matches. But we need to figure out c, and we've got b squared over 4. So the general way that we get this into this is we do x plus b over 2 squared, and that will give us the x squared plus bx, but it would also give us plus b squared over 4, so we minus that, and then we need this plus c, so we add c on. That means that this b over 2 is p, and this minus b squared over 4 plus c is q. So pause the video and copy that out. It might not make very much sense at the moment, but we're going to do an example now with actual numbers. So pause the video to copy that out, please. Oh, that's from yesterday. Okay, so example. We are going to write x squared plus 6x minus 5 in completed square form. The first thing we do is this bit, this x plus b over 2 squared. So b is 6. So I'm going to do x plus 6 over 2 is 3, and then squared. And if I multiply this out, I get x squared plus 6x plus 9. So to write this in completed square form, I would do x plus 3 squared minus 9, because that 9 relates to the b squared over 4 here, and I subtract that. So minus 9, because when I subtract 9, that leaves me with just the x plus 3, that leaves me with just the x squared plus 6x, which is what I want here. And so then to turn it into the full thing, I also minus 5. So in completed the square form, x squared plus 6x minus 5 equals x plus 3 all squared minus 14. Another example. This time we're doing x squared plus 7x plus 1. And again, we do x plus, and then whatever this is, divided by 2, all squared. That's going to give me x squared plus 7x, and then plus 49 over 4. So I need to do x plus 7 over 2 squared minus 49 over 4, and then add this number on here that I want. Because if I subtract 49 over 4 from this, it leaves me with just the x squared plus 7x, and then I need to add on the bit that I want. And then I can simplify that. Negative 49 over 4 plus 1 gives me minus 45 over 4. So this x squared plus 7x plus 1 in completed the square form is x plus 7 over 2 all squared minus 45 over 4. So if you multiplied this right hand side out and simplified it, it would turn into this left hand side. That should be everything you need to do the exercises. I don't want to go on to solving them today because you really need the practice. You need to be really good at completing the square before we go on to the next bit. So I want you to just have a go at all of the questions, please, and then submit. Please submit question 3 on Show My Homework. Thank you.